Welcome to Market Bag. I am Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with my usual budget of $2,500, and we're gonna see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard.
Hi.
How the markets are run today?
Yeah, all right. So far, about few little things are raised up in here like pop chow, ginger, aki still a go on with, wait a go on with. Fruits and vegetables at reasonable rate, especially pine and melon and then like something. People ain't can go spend their money.
Alright, how the farm them stay?
Jolt there are certain places and where jolt no the little rain and mash up the crop. So I'll tomato man I go barley for rain catch him. Sweet pepper man I go barley for rain catch him. Next week and week after go long down, things are gonna raise because jolt I get tighter. If you notice more breeze are blow. So you know see I'm more drought.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.